In 2025, Americans are quietly changing how they experience sound at home, and instead of upgrading to bulky soundbars, more people are switching to high-quality desk speakers, a shift driven by how lifestyles, living spaces, and everyday tech habits have evolved across the USA, because with remote work, gaming, content creation, and streaming now centered around desks rather than living rooms, desk speakers simply make more sense for modern setups, delivering clearer, more immersive audio at close range compared to soundbars that are designed for couch-based viewing. And one of the biggest reasons behind this trend is space, as many Americans now live in apartments, condos, dorms, or shared homes where there's no room for large soundbars and subwoofers, while compact desk speakers fit perfectly next to monitors and laptops without clutter. And sound quality plays a major role too, because desk speakers are tuned for near-field listening, meaning vocals sound sharper, dialogue is clearer, and music feels more detailed when you're sitting just a few feet away, which is exactly how most people consume audio during work, gaming, YouTube, and streaming in 2025, and unlike soundbars that rely heavily on virtual surround processing, desk speakers provide a more accurate and balanced soundstage that feels natural rather than artificial. And another key factor driving this shift is versatility, since desk speakers easily connect to PCs, gaming consoles, laptops, tablets, and even phones, making them a single audio solution for work calls, gaming sessions, music, and movies, whereas soundbars are often locked into TV-focused use cases. And Americans are also realizing that desk speakers offer better value for money, because for the same price as a mid-range soundbar, you can buy premium desk speakers that deliver cleaner mids, stronger bass, and longer-lasting performance without paying for features you don't use. And aesthetics matter as well, as modern desk speakers now feature minimalist designs, wood finishes, and compact forms that blend seamlessly into desk setups, especially among younger Americans who care deeply about how their workspace looks on camera during Zoom calls or streams. And power efficiency is another reason this trend is accelerating, since desk speakers consume less energy, generate less heat, and pair better with backup power solutions during outages, something more Americans are thinking about in 2025. And there's also a growing frustration with soundbars that require complex setups, HDMI ARC issues, firmware updates, and multiple remotes, while desk speakers are simple plug-and-play devices that just work. And as gaming continues to dominate entertainment in the USA, gamers are choosing desk speakers for their precise audio positioning and reduced latency compared to soundbars, which further pushes this shift forward. And when you combine better sound at close range, smaller footprints, cleaner setups, lower costs, and more flexible use cases, it becomes clear why Americans are upgrading desk speakers instead of soundbars. And as desk-centered lifestyles continue to grow, this audio trend is only going to get bigger throughout 2025, proving that for many Americans, the future of home sound isn't under the TV anymore, it's right on the desk.